Hey friends, how's it going? Life can be a crazy ride, right? One moment you're on top of the world, enjoying the thrill, and the next, you're spiraling down trying to catch your breath. One minute you're hanging out, having fun, and the next minute you're buried under homework, tests, and chores. It's like a never-ending cycle of ups and downs. It's like everyone wants something from you, and you're just trying to keep up. Sound familiar? The pressure can be intense, and it feels like there's no escape. Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there. It's important to lean on your friends and family during these times. They can offer support and a listening ear. It's easy to feel overwhelmed these days. With so much going on, it's hard to find a moment of peace. But remember, it's okay to take a step back and breathe. We're always getting messages, alerts, and people telling us what to do. The constant barrage of information can be exhausting. It's no wonder so many of us are stressed out. The demands of modern life can take a toll on our mental health. But remember, taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. Find activities that help you relax and recharge. Whether it's meditation, yoga, or simply taking a walk in nature, make time for yourself. So, what exactly is stress? Well, imagine your brain is like a pot of boiling water on the stove, and every time you have a deadline, a test, or a disagreement with a friend, the heat gets turned up. That heat, my friend, is stress. Now, a little bit of stress can be a good thing. It can help you get things done. But when that pot keeps boiling and boiling, it can cause all sorts of problems, like headaches, feeling tired, trouble sleeping, and even bigger health problems later on. So, how do we turn down the heat and relax? In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of calm can seem like a challenge. But with a few simple techniques, you can create pockets of peace in your daily life. There are lots of easy things you can do to manage stress and feel calmer. It doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Small changes can make a big difference. Seriously, taking a few deep breaths can work wonders. When you focus on your breathing, it helps to center your mind and body, bringing you back to the present moment. Try breathing in slowly through your nose, holding it for a few seconds, and then breathing out slowly through your mouth. This simple exercise can help reduce anxiety and improve your overall sense of well-being. It's like restarting your brain. Just a few minutes of deep breathing can clear your mind and help you feel more focused and relaxed. Exercise is also great for stress. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Plus, it gives you a break from your daily routine. You don't have to go crazy at the gym, just go for a walk, dance around your room, or try some yoga. Even a short burst of activity can help you feel more energized and less stressed. Make time for things you enjoy, whether it's reading, listening to music, watching your favorite show, or engaging in a hobby. These activities can provide a much-needed mental break, or just hanging out with friends. Social connections are important for our mental health. Spending time with loved ones can help you feel supported and less isolated. It's okay to say no to things you don't have time for, or that will make you more stressed. Setting boundaries is crucial for maintaining your mental health. Don't try to do too much. Overloading yourself with tasks can lead to burnout. It's important to prioritize and delegate when possible. Sometimes just talking to someone you trust about what's bothering you can make a huge difference. Sharing your thoughts and feelings can provide relief and offer new perspectives. Another great way to manage stress is by journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you process them and gain clarity. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a quiet moment, whether it's enjoying a cup of tea or simply sitting in a cozy space. Taking time to relax can rejuvenate your mind and body. Finding what helps you relax is important. In our busy lives, it's easy to forget to take time for ourselves. But relaxation is crucial for our mental and physical well-being. It helps us recharge and face challenges with a clearer mind. Remember, everyone is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Some people find peace in quiet activities, while others might need something more active. It's all about finding your unique way to unwind. The important thing is to find what works best for you and do it regularly. Consistency is key. Whether it's a daily meditation session or a weekly yoga class, make it a part of your routine. Try different things, like meditation, which can help calm your mind and reduce stress. Focusing on the present moment, also known as mindfulness, can be incredibly grounding. It helps you stay connected to the here and now, rather than worrying about the past or future, or even just spending time outdoors. Nature has a way of soothing our minds and bodies. A walk in the park, a hike in the woods, or simply sitting by a lake can do wonders for your spirit. And hey, if you're feeling really overwhelmed and don't know what to do, it's okay to feel that way. Everyone has moments when they need a little extra support. Don't be afraid to ask for help from a grown-up or a professional. Sometimes just talking to someone who understands can make a big difference. There's nothing wrong with talking to a therapist or counselor. They are trained to help you navigate your feelings and find strategies to cope. They are there to help you. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. So, find your path to peace and make it a priority. Life is too short to be stressed all the time. Remember to take things one step at a time. Breathe. And don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. You got this. Now go out there and enjoy your life.